Some more there, helping to park the trailer.
Is that Gino's trailer? No.
No, the friends. Just like 91. This is in our side. Yeah.
Your time. There you go. Good. Chill out. I think that's yours.
You okay?
Yes. I have. This is yours.
Just gonna put this away.
Oh, your potatoes is here. You want some potatoes?
It's like, no thanks. What that? Leave it.
Nakahanap siya ng tubig.
Yung manok. Yay! Number one.
Ang ano?
Siya maganda din yung diba? Hindi siya. Kahit mabuti na ang alin tita. Bulbul.
Ang ano?
Puti yun.
Meron yung mga matatanda namin. Meron kami staff na ganyan pero matanda na. And then she's pushing the she's walking with the walker. She's holding the walker and the rest of them is already there.
Sino?
Pat.
Matanda din yun eh.
Bye-bye.
Hintay na punlab.
Kahoy be.
Meron na nga eh.
Marami pa yan.
Yun, pinahira na.
Kanina pa yan.
Ang magic formula.
The magic formula.
Ano to, pawis ng kambing.
That's a magic sauce.
Yeah.
This is
Only
the
oil.
oil.
He's a scientist. New formula na yan.
Nakakapa.
Na lang.
Ilagay na natin ng ano, ng
Oo, yung kuwan, yung screen.
ayan oh, dali lang, kuha ko. Para yung isda malagay natin. Tapos yung manok sa taas na lang.
Lahat ng wrinkles mo lumabas.
Reset.
Lahat ng wrinkles mo tinago from ordinary lumabas na.
Extraordinary na.
Wala, Ford.
For the sake of Canada Day.
Ay, ang kulit talaga.
Relax. Baka mag-collapse.
Oh, di ba? Ended sa ano, sa prito or grill. That is our lechon. And the fish. Video tayo. Happy Canada Day.
Happy Canada Day.
Bang sa langin to sa labo bang.
Tita, tama-tama kung balik tayo dito ng September, may pumpkin. Oo. Last time nung nag-last na nagpunta tayo. Yung gumulong si Zach. Oo. Wag yung September daw na first week. Tingnan nga natin kaagad at nang may ayos na yung date.
Tara man lang.
Yeah, come here and complain to your daddy.
What happened?
Mama.
What happened?
Mama, push me.
Ah, da. Nagsusumbong nga eh.
Mama, da.
Mm-mm.
No, thank you. No, thank you. Mhm.